So Troy, we've got some moisture issues going on within this concrete.
Yes.
So this is pretty common within residential concrete, correct?
Yeah, and this floor's had a history of moisture issues.
Right, so within this situation, what do we do?
Well, we use our PERMAGUARD Densifier moisture seal. And what that does is it chemically tightens up the surface of the concrete, making it harder for the moisture to come up. It's a very simple process. A couple coats sprayed down, brushed, and let it set, and then squeegee and wash it off, and you're ready to go.
Awesome, terrific. For more information, visit the PERMAGUARD website.